Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief. As America celebrates its 250th birthday, I'm going to show you a recipe today that's a classic for any outdoor cookout. Today we're going to make party ribs out on your gas grill. So even if you don't have a smoker, you could still make great ribs. And let's get started. So I'm going to get started with a rack of baby back ribs. Now the first thing we have to do is when you turn over the ribs, you're going to notice that it has a layer of silver skin. We want to remove that because when you cook it, that silver skin is going to get really tough. So you can take a paper towel and start to pull it a little bit. The paper towel dries it up. Get it started on one side, and then you just pull down the rack of ribs. Next, we're going to take the ribs and we're going to cut them. So I usually start by trimming off any loose pieces. And then what you want to do is follow your rib bones, and you're going to cut the ribs in the same direction as the rib bones. Okay, next we're going to take these ribs, put them back on a tray, and we're going to get ready to season them. So take your favorite barbecue spice, start shaking it all over the ribs, making sure that it's well covered. Turn them over and season the other side. Now we're ready to head to the grill. Since you may not have a smoker, you can take some chips, put them either in a pan, or here I've got them inside of a smoker tube, and I'm going to place them on one of the hot side of the grill. This side of the grill is going to be set to medium. Just place the ribs right on your grill. We're going to turn these ribs every 20 minutes, and we're going to cook them for about an hour. And then you're going to close your grill. As you can see, we're starting to get a little smoke out of our tube. I'm going to do a first turn on my ribs. Okay, we're going to keep turning our ribs. And after about 45 to 50 minutes, we're going to start to glaze our ribs with some barbecue sauce. So just take your favorite barbecue sauce and just start to brush your ribs. Okay, we're going to let that set for about 5 or 10 minutes and then brush them again. Right, let's give your ribs another turn. And then we're going to go back to basting. The ribs are done when they're nice and tender and you can pull the meat away from the bone. They're not going to be really fork tender. You just want them to be slightly tender. And brush the other side of your ribs. Okay, when your ribs are nice and tender, let's remove them from the grill. Take your ribs and just stack them on a plate. And there you have it. Backyard party ribs. Enjoy.